Hey parents! Juggling work, chores, and your child's education can feel like a superhero's job, right? You want to be there for them, to guide them through their homework and make sure they're on track, but you can't always be physically present. What if I told you there are simple, effective ways to stay connected to your child's learning journey, even when you're at the office or running errands? It's not about spying, it's about supporting. Let us dive into some smart strategies to help you stay in the loop and empower your child to succeed. First up, let's talk about creating a shared digital workspace. Think of it as a virtual study room for you and your child. Tools like Google Docs, Sheets, or even Trello can be game changers. You can create a simple weekly schedule together. On Monday, list out their tasks: math homework, reading a chapter of a book, and practicing piano. As your child completes each task, they can check it off or change its color. You can then log in from your phone or work computer during a break and see their progress instantly. It's a fantastic way to give them ownership of their tasks while you keep a supportive eye from a distance. It's not micromanaging, it's mutual transparency that builds trust. Next, harness the power of communication. A quick daily check-in call or video chat can make a world of difference. This isn't for grilling them about their homework. Instead, make it a positive, encouraging conversation. Ask questions like, "What was the most interesting thing you learned today?" Or, "Was there anything that you found a bit tricky?" This helps you understand their emotional and academic state. It shows you care about their experience, not just their results. Many school portals also have parent-teacher communication features. Don't hesitate to use them. Quick message to a teacher asking about your child's participation or upcoming tests can give you valuable insights. Now, let's get a bit more tech-savvy, but in a smart, non-intrusive way. There are some great educational apps and platforms that come with parent dashboards. These platforms, like Khan Academy or IXL, allow you to see exactly what skills your child is practicing, where they're excelling, and where they might need a little extra help. You'll get reports on their progress, time spent on tasks, and quiz scores. This data is gold. It helps you have more specific and helpful conversations. Instead of asking, "Did you do your math?" you can say, "I saw you did a great job on fractions today. How did you figure out that tough problem?" See the difference? It's supportive, specific, and celebrates their effort. Another great strategy is to set up a review basket system. This is super simple and tech-free. Have a designated basket or folder where your child places all their completed work for the day. When you get home, you can spend just 10 to 15 minutes looking through it together. This isn't about grading them. It's about showing interest. You can praise their neat handwriting, ask them to explain how they solved a problem, or just admire a drawing they did. This small daily ritual reinforces the value of their work and creates a wonderful opportunity for connection after a long day apart. It makes them feel that their efforts are seen and appreciated. Finally, remember that the goal is to foster independence and responsibility, not to control their every move. The best monitoring is the kind that eventually makes itself obsolete. As your child gets older and proves they can manage their own time and tasks, you can gradually step back. The systems you've put in place, the digital checklists, the daily check-ins, the review basket, are all training wheels. They are there to provide structure and support until your child learns to ride on their own. Trust is the ultimate goal. By using these strategies, you're not just a remote supervisor. You're a coach, a cheerleader, and a guide, building a responsible, confident, and independent learner. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content to make parenting a little bit easier. See you next time.